guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to do the giveaway. So let's see, we seem to have 34 entries. Each of you have assigned a number here. So if you don't remember, my dear friends from Orchid Garden have been so generous and sponsored us with 20 vouchers. 10 vouchers of 10 pounds for orders bigger than 30 pounds and 10 vouchers of 30 pounds for orders bigger than 60 pounds. Which basically means that we are going to have 20 prizes, guys. I'm so happy that I managed to organize this giveaway, because that way I can make 20 of you really happy. So let's see. Let's go to random.org. So we have 34 entries. There are all of them. And I'm going to select 20 numbers. I'm going to play out some music now, because it is going to be a long way to generate 20 winners. So let's see. So alright guys, these are the first 10 winners. These are for the smaller voucher, for the voucher of 10 pounds for an order of at least 30 pounds. So those are marked with red. And now I am going to select 10 more winners for the vouchers of 30 pounds, and those ones will be marked with green. So alright guys, this is pretty much all. So the ones of you that see your name marked with red are winners of the voucher of 10 pounds, and the ones that are marked with green won a voucher of 30 pounds. Congratulations all. Thank you so much for supporting me and for participating at this giveaway. As you can see, we had 34 entries and 20 prizes, so only a few of you didn't win this time, but I will do another giveaway this spring when I will reach 5,000 subscribers. So I hope this makes up to you, and I really hope this makes you happy. Now, to get into possession of the vouchers, you should leave me a message on my Facebook page, Miracle Orchids, so I can give you the voucher code of the prize. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching and for participating. Thank you so much for your support, and if you have any questions or you just want to leave a thought, you can do it down below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!